411 Adams Street, apartment 2, 1850 per month. This would be the living room area here. They have a mini split. So if you want air conditioning and additional heat, you can use that. Living room area. Trying to figure out where I would put my TV. I think I would put my television right there. That's where I would put it. Because the front, you got two entrances. There's a door right here, and then there's a door right here. So you got a pretty decent sized kitchen. The countertop here. I think that's built in. And you have a little bathroom. It's a full bath because it has a toilet, and it also has like a tub. So obviously the landlord's gonna paint it and make it nice and clean when you move in. This is $1,850 per month. It's available August the 1st. As I mentioned, heat, hot water is included. If you want additional heat and AC, go on ahead and crank up that mini split. You see this one also? Right there. There is I don't know if I want to make it long. All right, let's go here. Bedroom, got a closet in here. There's literally a cat under the bed. I want to make this a long video. I'm going to show you the laundry unit, and I'm going to show you the area where if you want to do like picnics and stuff. Additional dining area. All right, so I'm going to shut this off. Kitty cat, you're good to go. Oh, I gotta shut the windows. Laundry is included, and then there is an additional area where you can have a picnic. So call Mr. Real Estate 617-544-7325 if you're interested in this unit in Abington, Mass. So this is the parking area. You have a bunch of parking, one parking spot per unit. You have to park outside on the street if you have more than one car, unfortunately, but there's plenty of parking. It's unassigned. You can park over here. You can park over here. You see there's parking spots over here. So yeah, you can park here. Now I'm gonna show you the laundry. The best time to do the laundry for me would be, I usually do it during the week because I actually live in the area, but I do my laundry during the week. There's a dumpster back there, so you can dump all the garbage there. I think they come on Wednesday mornings or Thursday mornings. So anyway, let me show you the laundry, and then I'll show you the other apartment that I have. Laundry in Abington. Oh, first try, yes. All right, so let's check out the laundry. I do my laundry down here. It's $2 a pop. Let's see. I'm tall, so I got some bad knees. Gotta go walking. Here's the laundry. Oh, it's nice and cool down here, man. These are the two washers. I've washed my clothes in these, and they do a pretty good job. You can do 30 minutes, 40 minutes, I think even up to 50. And then they have two dryers. And I've never had anyone do laundry when I do laundry, but I do it during the week because I work from home. And then this is the mini split. Now it's nice and cool down here. It's pumping out some beautiful, beautiful cold air. Yo, those are my socks. So that's the laundry area for the Abington Street apartments.